Click Setup. To disable auto confirmations, click Delete Confirmation. To turn on auto confirmations, first select what type to send. To use the default confirmation message, leave this blank. You can use a custom template created in Setup, Templates, Email SMS Templates, by selecting it here. Choose the time of day to send the confirmations, and how many days or hours before appointments the message should send. Click Add when finished to activate auto confirmations. If you'd like Insight to automatically check for responses, it can be enabled here.